Today we are, Debbie says the air conditioner isn't blowing real cold, and we're in Phoenix, Arizona at the end of August, actually 1st of September. We get a little humidity with this monsoon season, but anyway, today we are charging the AC. Be right back. Okay, you guys, this is pretty simple task. Let me show you a couple things here. You got a high pressure side for the air conditioner. You got a low pressure side. We're looking for the low pressure, but here's the high pressure right here. And you can't mess this up because this one's bigger than the low pressure over there. So don't worry about putting it on the wrong one. And here's a low pressure side. I've already got that cap off. Okay, you want the car running with the air blasting on max cold, max AC, because you want that compressor running. I went ahead and got this Easy Chill at Walmart. I think it was 26 bucks, and there should be more than enough in here. I'll probably do my black Jeep with this too. So anyway, once I get it on there, what we're going to be looking at, you can see the gauge there. In the green, it means it's low. Blue, it is filled. Then yellow, you're getting a little high, and then red, you do not want it in the red. So let's see where this Mustang is. Okay, we're up to 35 here. Again, it is blowing fairly cold, but not as cold as it could be or as it has been in the past. So I wonder, maybe we have some kind of small leak. But this stuff is supposed to seal small leaks, I guess, too. So anyway, let's. What you want to do is you want to shake this up, which I've already done, and then go ahead and hit it. You're going to see when I push the button that it shoots up toward yellow. I'll back off. Okay, let's step in here and see how it's doing. Oh yeah, definitely a little icier. Now it wasn't super low, it wasn't really low at all, but I guess I just hitting it with that little bit, getting it up closer to the yellow. Yeah, she should be happy with that. So anyway, guys, that's another thing you guys can do yourself. No reason to go pay somebody to do that. Go spend the 26 bucks at Walmart. Watch my videos, watch other videos, and just do it yourself. Save yourself some money. Hey, appreciate you guys. Give us a like, leave a comment if you got a better idea or a different product you like to use. Love you guys. God bless all of you. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. There'll be a lot more. Bye.